All right, guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. Want to share with you the XT-3 rig. That's what you're here for. I don't like to waste a lot of time, so let's get into it. I'm running the mix pre on the bottom, just for corporate stuff, not for the weddings. I probably do about 70% weddings, 30% kind of commercial stuff like that. So first, like I said, running the mix pre on the bottom. This does fit in my actual bag down there. Or in my Pelican 16-15. So I basically put it up just like this. And then when I'm ready to get on, I just attach the handle, then the monitor. Get that out the way. So you can see it doesn't take long to get ready to go. Now I'm rolling. So you can see I'm good now. I'm ready to go. Plug it in, boom. So as you can see, I'm running a battery on it. The Anchor, I believe it's the 23800 PD. I'll put a link in the description for it, but I can run that all day, a wedding. So you're looking at 8 to 12 hours. I usually end up with 25 to 50% when I'm done. So that's gonna keep me the whole day, and it comes off real easy. I can also put the smaller one in there if I want something a little bit less bulky, okay? Next, I'm always running or have the clamp on for the HDMI out for a couple reasons. Number one, I don't want to break the port here, and also don't want it to accidentally pull out and stop my recording. One of the reasons why I do run the Ninja 5 on here, I want simultaneous recording, and also I get that 422 10-bit out. So that's another reason. Also, I'm usually running the 18 to 35 on this, but right now I have the 50 to 140 2.8 just because I'm filming on the 18 to 35 with the Fringer adapter with autofocus on. So you can see the autofocus is really good on the 18 to 35. There's not a lot of pulsing and a lot of crazy stuff. However, when I have it on here, the 18 to 35 on here, I do not use autofocus. It's all manual pulling. So it's great here, or you can even bring it in tight, tilt this down. Now you're in the core of your body, so you're getting real stable footage going this way. But a lot of times I'm here, elbows in, touching my body, just like that. Oh, let me get the mic that I usually use. And then I run the mic right over here. Screw that on and put it in here. Okay, so some of the pros, oh, I got a little notepad because I can't remember nothing. When you get old, you forget everything. So there's that. So like I said, the top handle is a big pro for me because I can have the monopod attached and then I can just carry it by using that top handle. And the way the monitor is mounted here, it gives you the whole handle to still use while your monitor is still there. It still keeps a pretty low profile. The battery holder is a big plus for me. And then, like I said, everything comes off and fits right in the Pelican bag. I'm able to get great footage that way. Only cons is it's a little bit heavy, a bit bulky, but I mean, I see a lot of people talk about, oh, the camera's heavy, it's bulky. Like, we're talking about like ounces and maybe a pound. Like, if it's really that heavy, you need to get on them weights. Get in the weight room, get your weight up, something. If cameras are, oh, if you complain about them being too heavy. That's just my opinion, but you know, I'm sure someone will be upset. But anyway, and then I'm running the Ronin S. I got this handle, which ends up being great for low shots. I'll show you an example of that. In addition to that, you can get into your chest here while holding it here, and then you can get basically a still monopod shot because you have, you know, 3 points of contact, both hands into your chest, and you're super stable there. Because the one thing I hate is when people use monopods in every single shot. Everything is a monopod movement. I think it's overuse, but to each his own. If you're booking weddings and corporate gigs using a monopod on every single shot, more power to you. Here's my C camera I'm running a small rig cage on this as well. And I have the small rig battery holder here, which is holds one of the smaller ones. But I can pretty much run 2 of these all day, and then I'm good. With 2 batteries, I have to change it towards the end of the day. But that's nice and compact still, and it's my second or third camera there. So thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe for more content delivered weekly for the new year. Thanks.